Rack-type uninterruptible power supply is being made on the production line. Let me take you to have a look.
This is the input jack. This is an overcurrent protector. And then these two are the fans for heat and exhaust. This is an interface. This is the EPO interface with emergency shutdown function, USB interface. This is the output IC socket. This is the card slot for the external card. Input plug. Overcurrent protector. It jumps away when the current is too high. Two fans. These two interfaces. And then this is the international standard socket for the output. Inside is an output terminal. This is the connector for the external battery. This is the dry contact port.